Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to fix can't turn off stolen device protection on Android. If you are using an Android phone and you want to turn off stolen device protection, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your phone settings. In settings, look for Google settings. Here's the Google, just tap on it, and here you just have to select all services. In all services, just scroll down and here you'll easily get the section of personal and device safety, and here's the option of theft protection. Just select it and here you can see these two settings are enabled. I'm going to disable it, so just tap on it and then verify yourself with fingerprint or pin. I'm going to use my pin and enter it, then tap OK, and here I'm going to turn out the second. Just tap on it and then enter your pin. And that's how you can turn off stolen device protection on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until the next video, bye bye.